Got a new lens for the camera. About to get started on this thing. Better start the full wrap. What color we doing? Not bad for an hour. Not bad for an hour. We got the quarter panel on this side done. Then we got the side skirt finishing up now. Alright guys, we are finished up on the passenger side. We just have to do the quarter panel on the other side. We got the hood, roof, and trunk done. Then we're going to be doing the bumpers tomorrow. The hood, roof, and trunk done. Both sides are finished. We just have to do the bumpers. Alright guys, we are completely finished on this Charger, which turned out crazy with the gloss black accents on the hood, roof, and trunk, and on both bumpers. We also did a new design logo on the gas cap. I'll show you guys here in a second. Let me know what you guys think. We got the RG on top and the Rain's Garage on the bottom. Just something different. But this thing is completely finished. Let me know what you guys think in the comments of how it turned out. Alright guys, we are completely finished with the Scat Pack. Got it all finished up, ready to go. This thing turned out crazy. This thing turned out clean. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you guys think. We got a lot more content on the way. Make sure you guys stay tuned for what's coming.